Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to consolidate in Google Sheets. Let's begin. See this sheet on cell 2 A2 and column B6, and see this sheet 2. Create a new data. Create a new sheet and sheet name Mars data. Mars all data. Press enter. Then I already copied to this formula. Note to this formula. Example, sheet on A1 column B and sheet 2 A2 column B. Press enter. And now see this result. Product cell, product cells. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.